So I'm in Kroger. Of course, I always like to look at their clearance items and see this skillet, 12-inch skillet. It's reduced to $17.49. This one right here, also 12-inch, is a ceramic, $17.19. Okay. This little 8-inch fry pan, $9.59. No, and it's actually warped. It's warped right there. They need to be giving this one away. Yeah. Nope. All right, they have these items for 70% off. I see this bottle opener. It's $1.50. I'm definitely gonna get that. Everything else seems to be for the drinkers in your family. I think that's gonna be it for us. Got me a bottle opener for $1.50. Tell you what, I do need another one of these for my olive oils, and it's also $1.50. This will be great. Y'all, the wind is blowing so hard out here. Look at my hair. It looks a hot mess. All right, so good morning, everybody. So it's afternoon, and I ran out of my little dental thingies. I always keep my little dental flossy thingies right here in the side pocket of my seat. I'm sorry, y'all, look a hot mess. And anyway, I ran out. I used my last one after I ate this morning, and so I wanted to stop and get me some of those at Kroger, and so which I did. And of course, if you've been following me for quite some time, you know that every time I go in Kroger, I always have to take a stop by their clearance section to see what they have there. So I was able to get a couple of items. They didn't have too much, and then what they did have, even the clearance price was not low enough. Okay. But anyway, happy Vlogtober, day number 18. I hope that everybody is doing well today. Don't really have a lot planned today, but whatever it is that I do, I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. I have a lot of work to do, but nothing really exciting. So let me just put it that way. Nothing that's just so exciting. Right now, I have some orders for spice blends that I'm getting ready to drop off at the post office. I've had quite a few orders come in the last few days, so I'm really thankful to God for the orders that are continuously coming in. God is so awesome. So if you guys have not yet ordered any of my spices, use code sincerely21 to order any of my spices, and you will get 15% off of your entire order. So sincerely21 or sincerely22, I think both of those codes still work. I'll make sure that they work. But anyway, you'll receive 15% off your entire purchase. Just go to ketospiceblends.com. So right now I'm getting ready to drop off these orders. Then I'm going to head back home and see what updates they've done to our balcony since they've been there today. And I'll make sure to show you guys some of the updates on the balcony as well. But anyway, let's make today a great day. Balcony right now, and they still have a lot of work to do. They're trying to find the right paint. They're trying to match my paint up. So, but this is what it looks like right now. I'm just driving by the house and wanted to show you guys the progress on the outside of the house. So they started with that brown paint. We're not very pleased with that paint, so they've gone to go and try to find another paint color to pretty much match up to what we want. But that's what we're looking at so far. All right. friends, right now I am at the mall. I am getting ready to go into Bath and Body Works. I need some more soap for the house, and I'm thinking they had some soap on sale. I'm not sure, but either way, I need to pick some up. So let's go and do a little shopping at Bath and Body Works. Alright, this is a new one, Juniper and Gin. It actually smells pretty good. Yeah, I like this one. Here's another one, Thankful. That one's nice too. Oh Lord. Do I have a new favorite one? These are 50% off. Lots of fragrances I have not seen. I think I've seen the Cypress and Amber. Let's see what it smells like because I don't remember. Okay guys, let me show you the different flavors that I got. Flavors. Y'all, these are not flavors. The different fragrances that I did pick up from Bath and Body Works. So I got the Sweet Sandalwood, fabulous. I got the Mahogany Apple. The White Pumpkin is by far my favorite of all of these that I got. This smells amazing. And then I got the Wildflower Fields. So these right here will more than likely go in the downstairs bathroom. And these right here will be upstairs. I'll let Angelina pick the one she wants to go in her bathroom, and then my husband and I will take the rest. But yeah, I got all of these guys. They were 50% off. So I'm not sure how long that sale is going to last, but I would definitely go this week, at least by Saturday. I got the little travel size of the fall fragrance that I told you is my new favorite. I'm letting Angelina use it right now. But I got all of that and this. And I also got the Fall Bloom. That's the name of it. The new fragrance, Fall in Bloom. I love it. I'm letting Angelina use it right now, but I also got this little lotion for free. But anyway, I got all of these for $25, including the spray perfume, the body mist. So check them out, 50% off. I think I may go back and get some more just to stock up for the rest of the fall and maybe winter months. But yeah, I love them. This one right here, amazing.